Hello guys, I'm still here and I will show you how to change the brake pads of this type of caliper. If you are in a race, you can change it mounted like that in a fork. Only you need to take off this two safety and this spring will come off, and take off these bolts from over here and brake pads will come off. But in this video I will make a fully standard operation with this kind of brake, and I will take the caliper out from suspension. Stay close, stay close. If the caliper don't come off, you need to push the brake piston back in the caliper. That's it. Oh, new brake pads. Very good, very good. Now, this is the two safety. Okay. Now, you need to push bolt off out like that. Take the spring off. Remember the position of the spring. Be careful. It must be like that. On R1, sorry, you have an arrow over here, but I see on R6 she doesn't have. Anyway, you need to remember position. Okay, from here bolt must pass. Very good. Brake pads, you must clean very well the piston over here. Clean. But I see on this caliper, on this brake, I don't have too much work because somebody else do it. She do it. I put the brake pads back like that. Remember the position of the spring. You can use a little bit, little bit grease over here, Vaseline grease. She already have. Okay. To like that. These bolts need to be very clean, and a little bit of grease, Vaseline. Put it back here. She must pass from the brake pads as well, and you need to put the safety back in a hole. See, over here in bolt is a little hole, and push it. That's it. Remember, two safety, not only one. That's it. It's very easy. And now put the caliper back like that. Put the balls back. Don't use Vaseline here. Do not use. Tomorrow I will show you in a back too. Back brake or foot brake. It's okay.